What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel once again. Today going to be doing another upgrade with the TRX over here. Pretty simple mod to do, but it makes all the difference if you're going off-roading and you're getting dirty, getting in and out of your truck. What I'm referring to is we are going to be upgrading to some LASFIT custom floor mat liners. So these are super cool, pretty heavy duty floor mats for the TRX. So this is just how they come shipped here. Super nice packaging and shipping and all that. It's not like they're rolled up and thrown in a bag or anything. They're nice, heavy duty, shipped, super professionally. I really like this packaging. I'm a sucker for good packaging. So there we go. So we're gonna go ahead, open these up and throw them in the Ram TRX. So let's go ahead, get started. All right, so we got them laid out here. Obviously, this is the rear one, which covers the entire floor area of the rear of the truck. Then we got the driver's side and the passenger side over here. Super good quality, nice fitted custom floor liners, and makes it super simple because you just turn it on over to the back and you have a little diagram there, so it shows you which side they go onto. So these are definitely going to be a nice upgrade. I do know that you can get the upgraded kind of all-weather floor mats from Ram. I do know like the Rebel and the TRX do come with those. Well, some of them do. I've seen actually some of them not even come with those floor liners. So these are definitely a huge upgrade over like the cloth floor mats. And honestly, in my opinion, they're even an upgrade over those all-weather ones, because for the rear especially, these cover the entire floor of the truck. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you on my TRX. I do have the rubber floor mats on mine, but as you can see, they don't cover the entire rear. They only cover the front part over here, whereas those other mats are going to cover more or less everything back here. So for me, when I do haul things in the back of my truck, I do like to entertain a lot at my house, and I always end up being the one to go pick up food. I always throw like catering stuff back here, so to have full coverage in the rear is a huge plus for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out, and you could also see these are a two-piece mat, whereas the LASFIT one is one giant piece. So just keep that in mind as well. So let's go ahead, remove these, and I'm going to compare them, and you can see them side by side. All right, so here they are side by side. Obviously here are the Ram branded ones, and then the LASFIT ones up here. You could totally see the LASFIT ones are definitely a lot bigger. They're going to cover a lot more area inside the truck, whereas the Ram ones are a bit smaller. The LASFIT ones are also a one-piece design, where these will be a two-piece design. So just for like an example, I'd feel like if anything were to spill in the back, that's going to hold it way better than this, since you do have a seam in the middle where any sort of liquid or anything can get through there and actually start staining the floor. So yeah, I think it's a really sweet upgrade. And like I said, if you have the cloth ones and you don't have the rubber mats from Mopar, this is definitely a no-brainer. You're going to want to upgrade to these. So let's go ahead and throw them in the truck, and you can see the final outcome. You can see they have the little push tabs on the bottom here, so they just click easily right in there. Say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can, and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell All right, so there it is. It's super easy to install, like you saw there. You just push where these little circles are. That's where it lines up perfectly. And as you can see here, they look awesome inside the car. Perfect fit. They drop right in and they look super cool, and they're really good quality. And if you don't really like all the red accents and you have the Mopar ones that have the red emblem on there, this would be nice because it's just subtle and all black. And like I said, the quality is awesome. You might have saw me, I accidentally put them in the back ones reversed, and then I went ahead and corrected it. But yeah, as you can see, huge upgrade over the stock one because it does cover the full floor of the rear. If you don't have like the storage underneath the rear seats or the subwoofer or anything in your 5th gen, you can go ahead and get these floor mats, and they protect everything back here because the stock ones only come to about right here, as you saw earlier in my video. And as you can see, it is full protection back here, full coverage. So if you're hauling anything in the back of your cab, you can be rest assured that everything's going to be protected. And again, it is a perfect drop-in fit, really good quality. And again, for the price, you cannot beat these floor liners. I've seen and I've used some of the competitors before. For their floor liners, they are double the price of this and half the quality. So yeah, definitely check out LASFIT because these things are super mint. Let's go ahead, I'll show you from the other side as well. And I'm gonna have a link to these floor liners in the description down below. And I'm also gonna have a discount code for you. It's this code right here, so you can go ahead and get a nice little discount if you go ahead and order these. Throw that code in there, save some money. I'm all about saving money. So yeah, as you can see, just doing a quick walk around for you guys because these floor liners are sweet. And go ahead, show you the passenger side. Perfect fit, super quality. So yeah guys, awesome product, good company, go check them out. Yeah guys, they have way more stuff than just floor liners. They have a bunch of different lighting, LED lighting, off-road lighting, headlights, tail lights, interior lighting. They have all sorts of stuff, and that discount code isn't just for the floor liners, it's for the entire store. So good company, they support the channel, so yeah, go check them out. And we just beat the rain, so that's gonna do it for this one guys. Just a quick video, just more or less highlighting the floor liners that you can get from LASFIT. They're a great company, they support the channel, so we always like to support companies like that as well. And once again, I'm gonna have a link down in the description for those floor liners as well as a discount code. That discount code is good for anything on the website, so go check them out. Pick up something, support them, and save some money by using that discount code, because I'm definitely going to be picking up another set of liners for the Bronco over there. So yep guys, like I said, like, subscribe, go check out LASFIT, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.